Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash first impressions of the Summer FabFitFun. So if you guys don't know, this is a huge box. So if you guys don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription. So you do get it every summer, fall, winter, and spring. And you do pay $50 a quarter for this box. And it kind of just ranges from skincare, you get some home, you get lifestyle, you get clothes, jewelry, so it's just makeup. So you just get like a mix of everything in this box, and it is a good box if you guys like having different things in your boxes that just isn't makeup. So I know last time I spoke about FabFitFun, I said I didn't know if I wanted to cancel. So as you guys can tell from this, I didn't cancel. I want to see how this month's box goes. I mean, I was still kind of on the fence. I feel like a lot of the boxes, there were a few that I loved, but a lot of the boxes I was kind of like, okay, like not bad, but is it worth the $50? Let's check it out, guys. But before we jump into this video, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. Hit that post notification bell too while you're at it so you get notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's get unboxing. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. So when you do open it, you do always get some little like discount codes, which is great. You have like HelloFresh, like a little gift for FabFitFun. I do have an affiliate link with FabFitFun, and that is down below. So if you guys are interested in getting a box, you can use my affiliate link and get 10 bucks off. And if not, then that's totally fine too. But then you also do get like a little magazine in here too. And I think this explains, yeah, it kind of gives you a breakdown of everything that is in the box and like what products there are. And you also get some like cocktails, you get some like how everything works, then you kind of do interviews. This is Eva Longoria. Then it's just like a bunch of stuff, you know. So it's fun to get a box. The thing I'm gonna pull out is this. Oh, it's a little kimono. Okay, so this is cute. I do love kimonos, so I feel like this would even be a really good beach cover up. I feel like it's cute. It would work for a beach cover up, or just to wear like with shorts and stuff. It is pretty cute. I do like this. So this retails, this is by Spiritual Gangster. This is a Maya kimono. This retails for $60, and it's made of spun rayon fabric for a cooling effect. This kimono is a summer essential that can be dressed up or down. It features silky, comfortable front pockets and a belt, so you can wear it multiple ways, and it fits up to a size 16. So that is great. And it does have the little belt. And where are the pockets? Oh yes, you do have the little, where'd it go? I just had it. And you do have the little pocket right here. And I feel like it's cute. It feels really, really like lightweight. So I really do like that. Next thing that I'm going to pull out, let me just go with this. This is the Burn 3 Resistance Bands. This retails for $34. This is a Burn 60 resistant band. Take your workouts to new heights with a set of resistance bands. This is a light, medium, or heavy band. Individually or combine multiple bands to find your ideal resistance level. So, let me open this up, and I think black is like the hardest. White is probably the easiest. This is actually really good. Resistance bands are really good to work out in. Ooh, okay, so you get like, you could do like arm exercises. What's like an arm exercise to use? Oh, like if you hold it like this and like you kind of go like this. I think that's an arm exercise, right? I just know tying this around like your knees and then doing squats. So I feel like it's really good. You could tie them multiple angles. You could put this on a door and kind of pull towards you. So you can definitely use this for multiple kind of workouts. So for somebody who likes to work out at home, I feel like this is a really good thing. Especially for me, I like to work out at home, so it kind of really works well for me. The next thing that I'm going to take out, these are Invisa baubles. Invisa Bobble Original Duo Pack. So this retails for 16 bucks. The answer to all of your ponytail problems. This revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. So do I have it in my hair today? Yeah, I'm actually wearing one on my hair today, as you guys can see. I love these. These are great because they do give you that nice like tight ponytail type feel, but they don't leave any creases. So when I wear like a regular ponytail holder, my hair, you get that weird crease if you put it in a ponytail. With these, you don't get that. So I really do love these. I have a bunch of them, so I'm really happy that I got them in the box. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. This is the Generation Clay TM. This is an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. That is a handful. So it is sealed. So this is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This retails for $39. Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate, dull, and boost hydration. So I do like this. I'm always looking for extra hydration because I do have oily skin. When you do have oily skin, you do actually need some hydration in your skin as well. So this is actually really fun. I do like how it's the color purple. So if you guys do not follow me on my blog, go ahead and give me a follow because I actually do Mask Mondays and I feel like this would be a perfect addition to one of my Mask Mondays. So stay tuned for that, guys. The next thing that I did get, this is the Coola Makeup Setting Spray. So I actually use Coola. They have a sunscreen and I think an SPF 50 or something like that. I actually really like their sunscreen. It is organic. So I do like this. This has SPF 30 in it. It is a makeup setting spray. It contains 70% organic ingredients and it has SPF 30 in it. So this is the Coola Organic SPF 30 Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray. The matte finish formula keeps your makeup looking flawless and delivers a quick hint of hydration and sun protection anytime you need it. This retails for $36. So I do like how it is a matte setting spray because I do have really oily skin. I'm actually not going to spray it on my face right now. That is just because I do have I'm doing a wear test, so I don't want anything to kind of interfere with the wear of this foundation. But oh, it has like a little ball in it. This is what it looks like. It looks super cute. Let me see how the mister is. Oh, it's a nice mister. It doesn't leave any like, oh no, there are some like bigger spots, but usually once those dry down, you really don't get it away. It smells really good. It smells very good. I like the smell of that. It smells like sunscreen, but I like the smell of sunscreen. So I'm really happy that I got that. I'm really happy that it is a matte setting spray. Now I have another setting spray in here. This is a Grace and Stella setting spray. Let me go ahead and open this up. Weird that I got two setting sprays. Was this like a, did I choose this? I don't even remember what I chose, guys. It's been that long. So this is by Grace and Stella. This retails for $25.95. This is Craving a Midday Refresher. Just a spritz of this rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. Again, I'm not going to spray this on my face because I am doing a wear test, but let me see. Ooh, I like the mist of that. That's like a very fine mist. And that smells like roses. And my arm feels like really refreshed right now. So the matte, I could definitely feel my arm like kind of drying down. This kind of gives me that refreshed kind of look. So I do like this a lot actually. So I love setting sprays, so I don't mind that I got two setting sprays. It's just a little weird that I got two setting sprays. But I don't remember if it was like a chosen thing or not. The next thing that I did get, this is a mystery choice. Ooh, okay, so this is the Grown Alchemist Hand Cream. Is there anything in here about this? No. Okay, so there's nothing in here about this. This is Australian certified toxic free, and this is just a little hand cream. Let me put some on. I love hand creams, guys. I literally go through hand creams like it's my job. But I'm very picky about hand creams. Like, I don't want my hands to go greasy afterwards. So it smells good. If you guys see that, that is foundation. I had just finished filming like 2 other videos. So it's foundation. Ooh. My hands don't like feel greasy or anything. I actually like this hand cream. Alright. I don't know how much this retails for, but this is just the brown alka Chemist hand cream, vanilla orange peel. I definitely smell that vanilla orange peel. So I also do really like the feel of that. I feel like this is something I can just throw in my purse and kind of go. So really happy that I got that. I have 2 more products in here, guys. The next thing, this is exfoliating foot mask. This smooths and softens and provides intense hydration. I'm actually so excited for this because it's summertime. Your feet get like dry and cracked and stuff because you're in flip-flops. So this is like to the rescue. So this retails for $32. Get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like yellow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. So this retails for $32. And again, this is closed, but if you guys want a more in-depth review on this, then go ahead and give me a follow on my blog. I could definitely use this for a mask Monday because it is technically like a foot mask, so it qualifies. And then the last thing that I did get, I literally don't remember picking this. Maybe they like ran out of the other thing and that's why I got this, because I don't remember picking this. Did I? Or is this like everybody gets it? I think I picked like the face mask and I got this, so that's a little weird. But this is a little felt board. And I do have one of these already, so it's not horrible. So it does come with a little kind of bag, so you can put all of these letters in here. One thing that I do like about this is that this comes with like little emojis, so I think this is really cute. I might just keep the other one at work and then keep this one here. I feel like this is good for like photos and props and stuff, so, and any like flat lays. And then you also do get the little felt board, and this is where you can put your quotes and stuff like that, so it is really cute. So this is by XO Sienna. This is a black felt board. From displaying your favorite quote to your to-do list, the felt letter board comes with 189 letters, numbers, emojis, and symbols for you to spell out whatever your heart desires. And that retails for $35. So I feel like I got some pretty good products. Again, is it my favorite? No, but there are some products that I'm actually really excited to try out, like the foot mask. I love my Invisibobbles. The kimono's cute. I love my setting sprays. So I feel like this month was actually pretty, or this season was actually pretty good for me. You did get a mix of like skincare, home stuff, fashion. So it really is a pretty versatile box. So I really did like all of that. Let me actually add up all of the prices for you guys. So this box retailed for $301.95. I paid $50 for the box, so I feel like it's pretty good. I did get some good products in here, so I'm really excited to test and use everything. And definitely stay tuned for my blog if you guys are interested in learning more about the skincare products for the Mask Mondays. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys did enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, please, so I know that you guys like these types of unboxings. Please do not forget to leave me a comment down below. What did you get in your FabFitFun box, or what other subscription boxes do you guys have? And also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you will be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell too while you're at it so you get notified of all of my future uploads. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!